Hello, people. So it's like for me, I'm on, like I said, I'm on this mission of each time I come across an interesting performance or a movie or book or anything, I really want to speak about it. So, in this movie, Lakshmi Bomb, that is far from bombing. It is like it's a blockbuster hit because it's even outpaced the collections of the Sushant Singh starrer Dil Bechara. In a matter of few hours, it broke that record. And Akshay Kumar is like the star of the moment. But Sharat Kelkar, the actor, he plays the transgender. Actually, the movie Lakshmi Bomb is based on Lakshmi, the transgender, whose ghost tries to take revenge and things like that. But Sharat Kelkar, the actor, he, that character, for me, when I think of Lakshmi Bomb, of course Akshay Kumar and Kiara Advani and all come to mind, but it is Sharat Kelkar's performance that is, it'll just thinking of it is, it can move you to tears, because he it's all about, he's able to highlight the plight of the transgender community, which, my god, I think the only other actor who had done such a fabulous job of it was Paresh Rawal during that film that was made by the Bhatt Camp. But this film, Lakshmi Bomb, you need to watch for Sharat Kelkar's performance, because it will move you unlike anything else. I mean, like, I'll be honest, if you were to go through my channel, you will know that I watch a lot of different shows and series and movies and all. But for me, Sharat Kelkar's performance has been one of the finest I've seen in the recent past. So salute, sir. And I think, the transgender community will forever be grateful for such a honest portrayal of the plight of, the helplessness of that is faced by someone from that community on practically a daily basis. So truly, people, you'll have to watch Lakshmi Bomb just for Sharat Kelkar, if nothing else, because it is a performance that is not to be missed. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.